Steady, everyone. Ready the net. Got it. Secure the edges.
He settled in nicely.
Securing the latch now. It's locked.
Easy now, watch his tay.
Got it. Door secured.
The neural activity in the frontal lobe is elevated.
Yes, consistent with the previous scans.
The synaptic response is stabilizing right on schedule.
Good. Let's proceed to phase 2 analysis.
Enzyme levels are fluctuating slightly on display 7.
Confirmed. Adjusting calibration now. Looks stable. Let's log the data and proceed.
The density reading on fragment 4 is inconsistent.
Rerunning the spectral analysis now. This material will be processed next. Let's make sure it's clean and ready.
Ensure the skin is carefully handled and placed on the belt for processing.
The skins need to be completely clean. No residue should remain.
Check that all the cleaning agents are completely removed. The skins must be fresh and ready for the next step.
Only the most pristine specimens are selected for the transformation process. Secure transport is vital to preserve the organic state of the material.
Every detail in the early stages dictates the excellence of the finish. The journey from the wild to the workshop has officially begun. Stability during transit prevents any premature degradation of the raw hides.
Every entry is logged to ensure a transparent and ethical supply chain.
Exact measurements are taken to track the yield from harvest to house.
Arrival at the facility marks the transition from nature to industry.
Specialized machinery ensures the heavy cargo is handled with absolute precision. The environment is strictly controlled to maintain the material's integrity.
Documentation is the final step before the physical transformation begins. Modern engineering provides the sanctuary required for delicate craftsmanship. Contamination is the enemy of high-grade leather production. Cleanliness at the entry point ensures the longevity of the organic fibers.
Once on the line, the material becomes part of a synchronized industrial flow.
Organization is the pulse of a high-output luxury ecosystem.
Unveiling the raw material reveals the unique character of every individual hide. From here, the material will never touch the floor again until it is a finished garment. Removing the protective salts is the first step in awakening the natural skin. Mechanical precision removes every imperfection from the underside of the leather. Human eyes detect what machines might miss, ensuring only top-tier sections proceed. Biological catalysts work to break down non-collagenous proteins within the fiber. Total purity is non-negotiable for a surface that must eventually meet the skin. Prepared and purified, the material is now ready for its chemical transformation. Precise chemical ratios determine the strength and final texture of the luxury hide.
Scientific monitoring ensures the leather reaches the exact acidity required for softness.
Now stabilized, the material is known as wet blue, the foundation of all luxury leather.
Removing excess liquid is essential for the even distribution of oils in the next phase.
Secondary tanning adds the necessary body and roundness to the specialty fibers. Color must penetrate the entire cross-section of the hide to prevent fading. Infusing the leather with oils ensures it remains supple for decades to come.
Vacuum drying sets the grain and removes moisture without shrinking the delicate fibers.
Controlled tension during drying prevents the leather from becoming stiff or brittle.
Mechanical softening breaks the internal bonds to give the leather its final drape.
Artificial intelligence optimizes the harvest of the hide, reducing waste to near zero levels. Automated cutting ensures that every piece of the fashion puzzle is a perfect match.
Robotic consistency ensures that seams will be invisible and flush in the final assembly.
Sensors eliminate human error, guaranteeing a perfect color match across the entire collection.
A perfectly even base coat provides the foundation for the final luxury luster. Friction and heat are the final keys to unlocking the leather's deep, organic luster.
Every mark of authenticity is etched with permanent, high-pressure precision.
Sealed edges protect the fibers from the elements, ensuring a lifetime of use.
Some details still require the irreplaceable touch of a master craftsman.
The final barrier is applied, shielding the luxury grain from the world outside. Strength and beauty are woven together in the final assembly of the panels.
Color consistency is verified under every possible lighting condition.
Structural integrity is measured to ensure the leather never fails under the weight of use.
At the microscopic level, the health of the collagen fibers is confirmed.
Hydrophobic coatings are tested to ensure the material remains impervious to the elements. Resilience against wear and tear is the true test of a premium finish.
The final presentation is as meticulous as the production itself.
Every package carries the weight and prestige of the brand's heritage.
In the silence of the vault, the leather awaits its final destination.
The transition from the factory to the world's most exclusive boutiques is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury fashion leather from start to finish.